Mga kaibigan, magandang umaga. May tanong ko lang po.
Ano po yun?
Itong bahay na to, kaninong bahay yan?
Sa akin po.
Sa'yo yan? Talaga? Wow.
Joke!
Walang galing, sir.
Sinong nakatira dun? Alam niyo ba?
Ay, hindi po.
Nagano lang
Pala.
kami dito. Nag-outing
Oh,
lang.
nagtambay
We're
lang
just
kayo.
traveling here.
Ah, ganun. Wow, English. Magandang umaga, Pilipinas! Ako po si Dwaine muli at nandito po ako ngayon sa Pundaquit. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng dagat. Tingnan nyo. Kasama ko ngayon si Peter Edward.
What's up?
What's up, everybody? This guy's channel is called Property Club.
Property Club, mate.
Go and check it out. Subscribe kayo dun.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
So Peter is actually my boss, believe it or not. I have to work with this guy.
He's a mate of mine too, so come on. I don't like the word boss.
Etong bahay na to ay sobrang unique. Sobrang iba siya sa lahat ng bahay na nakita ko sa buong buhay ko. Grabe. Malaki. Nasa beach pa. Mahal ata to. This here is one of the most expensive houses in all of the Philippines. Okay? Check it out. Yeah, made from shipping containers,
You are
dude.
joking, right? Mate.
Tingnan natin sa loob. Akyat po tayo dito. Tingnan natin. Grabe ang ganda ng bahay na to. Grabe ang guni-guni ng may-ari dito. Puro na lang shipping container. No, may mga bintana pa. Wow. A beachfront property. Check it out. Oh, ito pa. Ano siya? 4 stories? Grabe. Wow. Hala. Ito ang dulo ng hagdan. Mayroong bintana dyan. How am I supposed to get in that part? This is ridiculous.
Mate, lucky I didn't buy that other house, eh?
Kawawa yung bahay na nasa likod. Their view is blocked out.
That doesn't look safe.
It really doesn't look safe at all.
Man, I'm gonna go down. Because I don't want you to die. That wouldn't be good. Then we'd be having a bad day. Come down from there, Shanta will kill me, eh? Hey, I trusted you with my man. Oh my god.
Wow. This is ridiculous, dude.
Be careful on that edge there, bro. It's sketchy.
It does look a bit dodgy, yeah. I wonder if they're gonna finish this. So Peter, how much do you think this property is worth?
I don't know what it's going to look like on completion. I'm just not seeing the vision here at all.
After doing a bit of research, we found that Filipino shipping container homes can actually turn out to be really pretty, and others not so pretty. Stay tuned for the next episode where we explore the islands of Pundaquit.
This place is great because it's not that commercialized yet.
Go swimming in the crystal blue waters. And just in case you missed the adventures of Dwaine, keep an eye out for our upcoming video where Shanta and I travel to a foreign country together for the first time.
Welcome to Macau!
Maraming salamat po. Be sure to subscribe.